Hi, I'm Becca Winkler, founder of Wings Creative, and on this channel you're going to find marketing tips, tricks, inspiration, and so much more. And today we're going to talk about the top 5 apps/websites that I use as a social media manager that get me success.
Dress me up, close a smile, perfect lines, perfect color. You're all I know, there's no other.
Being a social media manager, it can get really overwhelming really quick with so many accounts to manage on different platforms. It's really important to be organized and really hone in different apps and websites that can really help you get organized and get things done in a timely manner. So today I'm going to let you in into the apps and websites that I use that help me get success. Number 1, Asana. I love Asana, like I love all of the other apps and websites here, but if you're looking for the perfect project management tool and website to help you get organized, it's Asana. Asana has a beautifully designed website that helps you categorize your projects and also break it down by different timelines and different deadlines you want to do. You can also view everything that you need to do in a calendar view, or you can view it in like a to-do list form, which if you are like me, you love your to-do list. Every morning I get up and I look at my Asana and I look what I have to do, what's due that day or what's due in the next few days, and then I write out my plan for the rest of the day. It's a perfect way to get an overview of exactly what I'm doing. They even have an awesome free version which you can use, and that's enough to suffice for yourself, and you can even add up to 5 people on it, which is awesome. So if you're looking for a project management tool that you can easily lay out and see all your projects, then Asana's for you. Number 2, platforms to help plan your posting. I use Planoly personally for Pinterest and Instagram. They also have a free plan that you can use for one account. In there, I'm able to see exactly what I'm about to post and how it's gonna look. In addition, it helps plan out things so I don't have to worry about posting. I also use the Facebook planner, which is something that Facebook just recently rolled out, which helps plan my Facebook posts, and it's super easy to set up. You just go in, write what you're gonna write, and add the photo if you're gonna add a photo, and then just click schedule, and then it will automatically post for you, which is something so awesome and also free to use. But if you have more accounts or different platforms you're looking to post on, I've used personally Later, which I also love. You can post on anything from LinkedIn to Facebook to Pinterest, anything like that, and have it all in one platform and translate to that. So that's a good platform to use, but make sure to find a platform that works for you. There's so many out there, but it's so key to have one that you're able to schedule your posts on and don't have to worry about that. Number 3, Flowdesk. I use Flowdesk for email marketing. I love it. It's still in its beta form, but what I love about Flowdesk is that I love their beautiful templates. I love how easy it is to use, and I love their user interface. It starts as low as $19 a month for me because I used someone's affiliate code, which if you want $19 a month for the rest of your life, you can get it in my description below. But I just, like I said, love the way it's easy to use, and you can create different audience segments and different forms as well, pop-up forms for your website, or if you don't have a website, you can just use those pop-up forms. So it's a super awesome tool that I use for email campaigns, and you can have unlimited email subscribers as well, which is awesome. There are many out there you can use, such as MailChimp and Klaviyo, but I personally use what works best for myself as Flowdesk, and that's what I really enjoy. But email marketing platform is so important. Number 4, Canva. Canva has been a lifesaver for me. I love Canva more than anything else because it helps me create awesome content for all social media platforms that are beautifully aesthetic. What's awesome about Canva is it's also super user-friendly. They also have a great free version that you can use, and if you want to get the pro features, it's as low as $12.95 a month. So I highly suggest using Canva for designing awesome content, and like I said, it's been an absolute lifesaver. And lastly, InShot and Lightroom. Now, there are a lot of apps out there that help you make your photos and videos aesthetically pleasing, but what I personally like to use is Lightroom. Lightroom Lite even is free. You can download on your phone, and you can easily download different presets that different influencers have used to make sure that all your photos have the same lighting and texture and tone, which is so awesome. Also, I like to use InShot, which is great for short form video content, and it's super user-friendly and easy to use. It's an app on your phone where I can easily create an awesome 30-second reel in the matter matter of seconds. I can add text overlay, I can add voiceover. The only thing is I can't add music, but that's okay because I can just go into Instagram or for that matter TikTok and use whatever sound I would like. So those two apps help me create awesome, aesthetically pleasing photos and videos to help me as a social media manager to make awesome content. Overall, those are my top 5 websites and apps that I use that have saved my life. As a social media manager, it can get so overwhelming with so many different platforms and so many different brands and accounts, and to streamline a process that works for you and find apps and websites that help you stay organized is what's key. And that's what those 5 apps do for me. And hopefully one of them can help you too. So that's it. Those are my top 5 apps and websites that I use as a social media manager that helped me get success. I hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe and follow Winx Creative on all social channels. I look forward to seeing you on another day.
Dress me up, 'cause we're smart.